What if I told you the success of your business could start with just one action today? Your budget. I'm Tracy Patterson, and for over a decade, I've been teaching individuals and businesses how to use computers better and more productively for business. Now, a budget isn't just numbers on a page. It's your vision of the future, your roadmap for success. And guess what? It's easier than you think. I once worked with Sarah, a boutique owner who thought budgeting and spreadsheets were beyond her. She was scared of making mistakes and didn't see herself as good with math. But after taking that first step, she discovered it was just about organizing her ideas. Today, her boutique is thriving even more because she knows exactly where every dollar goes. So, what is a budget in simple terms? It's simply a list of money coming in and money going out. And you use this list to gain control of your finances, to make informed decisions, and just to overall reduce stress and plan for growth. Think of a budget as your business's personal trainer. It keeps you in shape, helps you focus on your goals, and it shows you what's working and what's not. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Writing a budget on paper is great. It's a good step as long as you're taking that step. But putting those numbers in a spreadsheet can advance you even further. So, first, you don't have to be a tech wizard. You just need to be able to click a few buttons. You know how to type numbers on your keyboard? You can do a budget. You know how to press enter on your keyboard? You know how to do a budget. You know how to use your mouse and click in a square? You can do a budget in a spreadsheet. And don't worry about the math. The math is even easier in a spreadsheet than on paper. The spreadsheet does the math for you. It's like having a calculator that's smarter than you need to be. I get it. Computers can feel intimidating and math might not be your favorite subject. But here's the good news. Spreadsheets are designed to do the hard work for you. Your job? Simply start. So, how do you start? Step 1, open your spreadsheet software. If you haven't used a spreadsheet before, you might find this a little bit of a challenge, but it's not. If you have Excel on your computer, you're going to click or double click on that icon for Excel. If you don't know if you have it, find your search bar on the bottom of your computer in the taskbar and type in Excel. If it's on your computer, you can click on the name and the icon for Excel to open it. If you don't have Excel, I highly recommend using Google Sheets. It's online, it's free to use. Here's a video that shows you exactly how to open Google Sheets if you haven't opened it before. But if you have used Sheets before, if you don't remember how you got to Google Sheets, open up a web browser, Google Chrome probably, and in the address bar at the top, type in google.com/sheets. That's a quick way that'll take you directly to the application Google Sheets. And you'll click blank spreadsheet to start. Step 2, type income, the word income, at the top of column A in that cell A1. That's it. You've already started with your budget. Opening a spreadsheet is like stepping into a brand new car. It might feel strange at first, but once you're in, you realize that everything is designed to make your journey smooth. So take that first step today. Just open a spreadsheet. If you're ready to learn more, I've got several easy tutorials that will guide you step by step through creating a simple budget. Or grab my free budgeting template in the description below. It's already set up to get you started. Remember, every big journey starts with a single step, and your business deserves the best. A budget is your first step to making that happen. In the next video, let's look at some of those baby steps that you can take in the real world to get ready to put numbers, real numbers, in your spreadsheet.